Hi Maggie, it was a really impressive press conference yesterday where Toyota showed about artificial intelligence, how they will leverage deep learning in the future. Can you explain a little bit about the whole concept I and how deep learning AI will be used in future in cars?
Absolutely. Well, welcome to Toyota, and I'd like to just take you briefly through our display here so you can better understand our new concept I that we just debuted yesterday. So if you'd like, we can start over here on this end. And you'll see that our overall vision was to create a better relationship with the vehicle and the driver, in so much that they would be partners in moving forward in mobility. So our idea is a few years down the road, we would be able to have the driver and the vehicle work together in a team to have a better relationship, and the vehicle would actually be able to understand the driver. And you would be able to communicate with the vehicle using what we call UE. And UE is the personality and the soul of the vehicle. So you would actually be able to talk to UE and say, UE, what is the weather like in Los Angeles? And where should I go to get a burger today at 3 o'clock? And what is the traffic like by Santa Monica Boulevard? Our idea was to learn, grow, and love your partnership with the vehicle. The car and the driver have a close bond. So the first idea is to protect learning about people and automated driving. So with autonomous driving, the overall goal is to eliminate traffic fatalities. So in order to do that, Toyota has decided to focus on artificial intelligence. And the artificial intelligence of the vehicle would allow the vehicle to grow and learn as traffic patterns develop. The driver would actually be able to manually operate the vehicle, but if there was any sort of potential danger, the vehicle would take over. So the car is always at the driver's side, and it's learning about people, learning about the personality of the driver, learning from the road conditions, and it's constantly evolving. The vehicle would be able to sense your heart rate and would be able to notice if you're happy or sad. It would be able to see your facial expressions. It would be able to detect certain emotions. And one thing that we are really interested in is we've debuted this emotion map. It would say, here on this route, you were feeling very happy. At this point, you felt a little sad, and you would be able to see at which points you were the happiest because you may have been driving along a beautiful seaside road, or the vehicle may have been giving you a lovely experience with a pulsating movement, and the pulsating would actually go along with your breath. So it's almost like the vehicle is alive. It's really incredible.
Okabe-san, this is absolutely impressive what your team has done. Can you tell us a little bit about what is the role of the artificial intelligence team in Toyota?
Basically, in Japan and the US, we have each responsibility. In Japan, we will make the physical vehicles, and in US, we have TRI, Toyota Research Institute. The Toyota Research Institute is responsible for some of the AI technology portion.
Okay. And how are you using AI for cars?
We have three portion. One is here, the personal state estimation. The other is understanding personal preference and agent conversation. I'd like to explain one by one.
Please.
As for the person state information estimation, by using the deep learning technology, the system estimate the emotion or the alertness or tiredness by tracking the facial expression or the body language or the biosentiment, as well as the biodata, voice sentiment and biodata. And as for the understanding of the personal preference, this system consists in two databases. One is the language model. The other is the user model. The language model is the general public data using the news and magazine and web information. By using this data, the system classify the topics and making a histogram like this. And the user model is the personal action history, tracking the Facebook and Twitter and the GPS and the conversation in the car. the system compare the language model and the user model like this. Supposing that if the user model, the frequency is much more than the language model, at this time the system understands that this should be his personal preference. And the third one is the agent conversation. By understanding the driver's preference, emotion, and alertness level, the agent talks about the topics that interest the driver. Additionally, by utilizing the intention estimation and the summarizing technology, the agent realizes a free and interactive conversation. These are the AI technology which we will install in the concept I.